How to make reusable acetate stencil with Silhouette Cameo. Step 1. In Silhouette Studio, go to the Page Setup panel and set the machine and cutting mat. Step 2. Set the media size to A4. Step 3. Once you've set the settings on the Page Setup panel, close it. Step 4. If you've downloaded a design to use, click File on the top left side of the screen and select Merge. Step 5. Select the file and click OK to load it into the media. Step 6. Delete the elements of the design you do not need. Step 7. Now go ahead and resize the design from the Quick Access toolbar. Step 8. Once you've resized the stencils, reposition the design on the media. Step 9. Once done, go to the Send panel, click and draw a box over the design and select Cut from the Send panel. Step 10. Set the acetate sheet thin as the material from the drop-down. Step 11. Go over to the blade setting and set it at 10. Step 12. You can leave the force, speed and passes settings as set by default. Step 13. Place the acetate on the cutting mat and smooth it down. Step 14. Tape down the acetate on the mat to ensure that it adheres well. Step 15. Load the mat into the machine. Step 16. Go back to Silhouette Studio, click Send and it'll start cutting. Step 17. Once it's done cutting, lift up the acetate to ensure that it's cut all the way through. Step 18. Confirm that it's cut all the way through, then go ahead and unload the mat. Step 19. Peel off the excess design from the mat. Step 20. Peel off the design and weed out the excess bits. Step 21. Once you've weeded out all the design, go ahead and test it out. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.